Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of Korean skincare ingredient which I have shown you in the previous video. In this video, I will show you how to make the toner using this Korean skincare ingredient. It's a very easy process. All you need is the ingredient, which is the Centella asiatica, which is easily available for you. I have collected few fresh leaves. If you have no fresh leaves, you can also use powder. For this you need to have distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can use plain water also, but you need to store that in the refrigerator later on. First of all, you need to take 250 ml of this water and drop in the leaves, freshly washed leaves of the Centella asiatica, or it is also called Indian pennywort. It's called gotukula in the local language. This 250 ml of water can be, you need not reduce it completely, it has to just change its color, and the properties of the Centella asiatica will be there in the water. So you need to just boil it in low flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that you have to put off the flame and let it cool completely. When it is cooling, the entire properties of the leaves will be in the water. The main reason you can make your own toners is that you will know what is going on in the product. First of all, you will be using all natural ingredients, and you will be using things which is very cost effective, which is not very costly, and you will know what is that you will be spraying on your face. And if you don't like it, you can just throw it, and if you feel like, you can adjust the ingredient. Suppose if you have oily and acne prone skin, you can use tea tree oil, and if you have very irritated skin, you can use some rose water, and if you have very dry skin, glycerin would do. So that is what I am including in this toner which I have collected. As it is, the toner is good to use, but if you want to enhance the properties, just few drops of rose water and few drops of tea tree oil and few drops of glycerin would help to give the toner the desired results. As you all know, we are facing a very tough summers, hot summers, and the pollution is too much around. So when you are in the sun for a long time, when you are outside for a long time, once you come home, first thing is you need to wash your face and then apply this toner. It's always nice to keep this in the refrigerator for longer shelf life, and also it will help you to keep that coolness on your face. Once you wash your face, the pores will have opened, and when you spritz this toner on your face, the pores will absorb and it will give the instant relaxation feeling. So it not only gives your take care of your skin, it also relaxes your senses very much because of the ingredients which you have used. So try this and see. It's a very inexpensive way of experiencing Korean skincare regime, and this is very simple to make and very effective, cost effective, very result oriented toner. So if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I'll try to clear it. And there is more coming up using this particular ingredient, the Korean skincare ingredient. I'll be making more creams and soaps. So if you are interested to know what and all you can use this ingredient, you can subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.